advisory in effect from noon Sunday to 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday. What? Heat index values up to 104 expected. Where? Portions of north central, northeast, and northwest Ohio and northwest Pennsylvania. When? From noon Sunday to 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday. Impacts. Heat-related illnesses increase significantly during extreme heat and high humidity events, particularly for those working or participating in outdoor activities. Additional details. Consecutive days of excessive heat and humidity combined with little relief overnight due to very warm low temperatures can be especially hazardous. The heat may continue until Wednesday. Drink plenty of fluids, stay in an air-conditioned room, stay out of the sun, and check up on relatives and neighbors.